Well, hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download paid apps for free and games. I will uninstall this Boost Wi-Fi Pro. I will uninstall it in Play Store. See this Boost Wi-Fi Pro booster. I will uninstall it and download it again. It's paid. Then I install it. But if I install it, it's paid PHP 174. So I'm gonna download it for free with this. You need to go to Black Market. If you don't download it yet, go download it. I'm gonna put the link of the description in the description. Just type in Boost Wi-Fi Pro. Just type in it and find it. Boost Wi-Fi, that's a free version, and we need to find the pro version. Here's the pro version. Boost Wi-Fi for Pro, $4. Gonna click it. 663.63. See it? It's Pro. You're gonna install it. Click the install button on the top of it. Then it will start installing. After installing, this ad will show up. You don't click it. Just no thanks. Now I installed Boost Wi-Fi Pro. You will see it here. You will see it here. See it. I already installed it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you subscribe and like. I hope you subscribe and like. Thank you.